Good morning, guys. Different day. Today is Monday and Tammy decided to pumunta dito mga what time was that, Han?
What?
You get here? 6 o'clock? Yeah, like that. 6:30. Yeah. So, anyway, akala ko kagabi dito talaga siya. So, yun pala, doon siya sa bahay. Ng isang bahay. And pala siya. Nag-relax kasi hindi daw siya makalakad. Nagsusuka. Yan. So, decision siya this morning. So, yun, maaga pa rin siya kasi usually makapunta siya dito mga sobrang late na. Kapag Monday, di ba, nag-relax muna siya. Kasi late na ka-uwi galing work. And, yun, lagay lang ako ng lotion, guys, kasi sobrang dry. Sa ginaw ito, nagka-crack-crack na itong mga kamot. Crack-crack talaga. Crack-crack-crack. Nag-crack na itong mga kimot natin dyan. Yan. So, ngayon, nagbihis lang ako kasi punta kami sa store. Hanapin lang daw ni Tammy broccoli rabe para sa Thanksgiving. Kasi yung request ng kapatid ni Tammy is magdala kami ng broccoli rabe, lutuin dalhin doon. And also, cabbage din raw. Kasi sabi pa ni Tammy, mag-cabbage daw kami. With, cabbage with, tawag nito yung yan, ito guys, you see rin, Hi, Jax, what happened? What happened to the mountain? What happened doon siya? Nakaupo dito. Alam niyang aalis ako. Kaya andito siya. Oh, Miss is coming too. Next time, I will close the door that you guys cannot come here. We're gonna hang out here in the bathroom. We're just gonna hang out here. How are we gonna hang out? Hang out here? Anyway, guys, we're going. And yeah, Tammy is still not feeling okay. But let's see what he's going to do. So, but he really want to, because guys, yung broccoli rabe is very not very joking. It's hindi na marami sa tindahan yung broccoli. So, dapat talagang hanapin mo sa tindahan. Kaya si Tammy na pag-decision na hanapin namin ahead of time. Kasi baka mawalan doon siya ng broccoli. Broccoli rabe pala guys, hindi broccoli. So, yan. Out of here. Hubby love is busy love. Hubs, what are you doing?
Following me around. I don't want to do it. He wants to know.
This is my baby.
I said, when you're not here, I have to do it, so I gotta know.
What is that? Is that when you have to fit the thing?
The different bowls.
A different bowl, different shit. Is that you took it out already? That's from over there?
That's the old one, yeah.
La. It doesn't work. Guys, he's still not cleaning his face. People are laughing because I said, shave your face. To shave your face. Hindi ko na kamalayan, guys. Nasabi ko na pala yun, shave your face. Shave your buhok, di ba? Dapat shave your buhok, right?
Oh, yeah, that's a problem.
Not save.
That's for when a bowl is broken. When the glass is broken, so you stick it in there.
Okay, and? So now what? Do you think you can put another one over there?
It's already in.
And it works? Huh?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me shut this off. Ito talagang washing but so yung light na doon is tignan natin guys. Hala, it works na. Iba. What is that for that green? I forgot that thing.
Bugs.
That blue is a bug killer.
Right. Bug zapper.
Bug zapper.
How many bugs get in?
It's like a grasshopper. Anyari sa camera ko eh. Can you look, Miss Hans is still not eating her food. Shave your face. Shave your face. It's not done yet, hon. Look at that.
It's done. It says there's 1 second left.
Still here. Oh, still spinning.
Well, it's only got 1 second, so how much there is. It's been on 1 second for how long?
This washing machine is a singer, a musician. Because of this bag, who did this? That one, he threw off a lot. Naku, lagi bag. West Virginia, Mountain Mukbang. Take me hawk. Take me hawk. Aray, nasakit. Napakog naman ako. Ay, kasakit sa pakog. Ay, naku, lagutan. Hindi mo ba? Sumakit tuloy ulo ko. Ito pa naman ulo ko, guys. Parang sobrang sensitive. Magganon lang. Ito kasi may history itong ulo ko. Natagakan ng malaking metal ganito. Yung metal sa bathroom, yung lagyan ng shower curtains, 'di ba? Metal ganon, nahulog talaga. Ganon na po. Parang may lamp dito, parang gumaganon yung scalp ko. Parang baby lang. And kaya masakit itong ulo ko palagi. Very sensitive.
Rod, why are you pointing the camera at me?
Yeah, that over there. Give it to me.
I'll put it away. I'll put it away.
Yeah, right. Nag-grocery kami and tapos na. Dalawang store yung pinuntahan namin and
just hold it up there. You see the lights go. Brrr.
Where did you hold it? Tommy used my credit card and then slides it. It's weird. Anyway, so yun we.
Come out. I show you.
No, I don't want to double tap it.
No, I'm just showing you. See where it's on there?
Yeah, I know. I see that.
You just hold it in front of it for a second. You'll see the lights go up.
Ah, okay. Anyway, so we got broccoli rub and pork that I can cook Thursday to bring my sister-in-laws. Cook it Wednesday and then I'll bring it to my sister-in-law Thursday. Thanksgiving Day pa lang Thursday. Sir Tommy, what are you doing? I get mine. Give me some.
I got these. Get the door. Get the door. I got these.
Ay, naku. Uy, naku talagang may hobby na. Uy. We are family. Everybody should be patakaan ng kuani. Is that the right song? We are family. Everybody should be.
Well, I don't think so.
Oh, that sounds like it is, Han. It is. That sounds like that's the lyrics. Everybody should be. Can you tell me?
I can't tell it, but I know that's not it.
Everybody should be. Han, that sounds that really it.
Put it on the internet for later.
Everybody should be.
Play it on the internet. You still got that for your chicken sandwich here? Are you kidding me?
Han, I got 4 of this. They have a lot in there. But you know, the price is different. They are higher compared to ShopRite.
They're always higher.
Okay, I want you to drink a lot of this today. The cranberry original. This is for my baby. Look at that. Why you get a lot of porky?
So you can make it.
I'm not making today. I make it Tuesday. I make it Thursday morning.
Yeah, but that's for the you make it Thursday morning for the other thing, for the cabbage.
Yeah. How about that?
How about like you make the pork pies?
Okay.
I don't know how much you need for cabbage, but
A lot, hon.
well, you only wanted me to buy 1. I bought 3, so now all of a sudden you need all 3 for the cabbage.
No, 2 of that.
You told me you only just get 1. 1 and this.
Did I see that? Did I see that? Did it?
Yes.
I never see 1 only.
So 1.
And I need to put this in the refrigerator downstairs because I'm not cooking. This is my husband buying a lot of this and who's cleaning
Should we
it?
peel it and clean it now?
No, it's gonna go bad.
If we clean it?
Yeah. Just leave it. I'll put it in the refrigerator downstairs. Can you,
What do you want?
you unbaggle this?
I didn't know
Can
that.
you get the banana and the asparagus also that I can cook it. The asparagus tomorrow. I love one guy.
Mark 32 has the bigger one, right?
I love one guy only.
And one day I'm going to find out who that is.
I love you.
Love you too.
This is really good, huh?
I told you you'd like them.
You have some herb in here.
Yeah, it's focaccia.
No herb.
Yeah, it's the herb that you use to make focaccia bread. That's why I said you like it.
It tastes like thyme.
Oh, I'll tell you what has in it.
Yung kinain mo, lo? No, look.
Rosemary, garlic powder, yeast, olive oil. So what you're seeing is the rosemary. You're seeing the rosemary.
Ah, okay. It's a rosemary.
Yeah, but it's very tasty. It's like the
Sarap niya, guys. Yeah. I'll sit here with my baby.
Okay, so you find something you like that you will only try if I like.
If you
Twist
push
your
me,
arm, pretty much.
I twist your arm to eat dried fish. You said I tried it. I tried it.
have
You're
tried it.
lying to me all the time. Rap. Han? You think it's hard to put the thing? It's hard, right? Once you make a hole, how you can kind of like cover the hole?
Yeah, I'll cover.
A cover? What cover?
Some kind of cover you
Ah.
know.
Over there? You think it's not gonna look ugly?
It'll look like a plug in the ceiling.
What do you think of my adobo?
I like your adobo.
You like my adobo? Oh my god, it makes my heart so squishy. You make my heart so
I'm
squishy.
squishy.
Anyway guys, I have to drink a lot of water. I forgot to drink water. He likes my adobo. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. Where's my water? Kain tayo guys. Yung lunch namin is in diet lunch. No rice. Doon si Tami sa labas. Tignan nga natin. Hoy, don't lean on that. Han. Huh? Listen. When I put this,
Yeah.
it's the one is plug. This turn and this light over here doesn't work. The Christmas light,
Yeah.
this one doesn't work. No, but I did plug it before.
No, well, I got a cigarette, so I can't go inside and get that little gun, but you can go and get it for me.
Where is it?
It's in the drawer.
In the drawer. Can you try this first? I will plug this first. Can you feel? Look. Is it on?
No. Oh, yes.
Huh?
Some of them.
Not all, right?
Some.
Okay, I'll go. Where did you put it? He's using his thing now, guys. I wanna put more lights here, but
The bulb is good.
how do you know? It works. Dito guys, oh, nilagyan ko ng lights doon, dito, ito, dyan, and sa railing, and then sa front. Now, yung Christmas light sa labas is mag-una yan mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Hala, that's okay. It's cooking, baby. It's cooking. I have to add more water, guys, para hindi mag-burn out artist. Para may moist talaga yung turkey ng mga posa at doggies namin. Nagtutulog si Tami. Ito guys, nagmarinate lang ako nito. Request ni Tami, gusto niya. Yun na guys, marinated na siya. Marinated na ang chicken. And then may extra dito kasi maliit kasi siya. And then ito lulutuin ko lang siya mamaya mga 10 minutes. Hintay lang tayo. And guys, ginoo ko, yung ina ng asawa ko dinala siya doon kasi yung dugo as in naglabas-labas talaga, hindi ma-stop yung dugo sa kamay, yung saan yung dialysis so na hospital siya ngayon. So hintayin namin yung tawag ng kapatid ni Tami, and then pupunta kami mamaya kung ano man yung mga desisyon sa doktor o kung ano man yung gagawin nila doon. Sana makalabas siya, sana ma-solve yun, sana ma-stitch na siya kasi na-open siya. So hintayin, kaya magluluto ako ng maaga para pag mamaya kung ano yung mga desisyon o kung anong gagawin namin, may pagkain na kami. Pag uwi namin dito, meron akong pagkain. Kaya nagluluto ako ng maaga today. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya ha. And so yun. So bad news nga. Sana makalabas si Dianan agad. Ganon. Punta kami sa hospital guys. Yeah. Punta lang kami. And I think I'm going to change sweater. So ito yung susuotin ko. I think maginaw. I don't know kung anong temperature ngayon. Tignan nga natin kung anong temperature kasi kahit ito sira-sira na kailangan kong tahiin close open bayad sa didini may inano pa siya. What are you doing?
My charging block.
Oh, your charging block? Did you bring it? It's already 3 o'clock guys. Hindi din tumawag yung kapat. Oh, that's Andrea. Answer it.
Hello? Hello?
Slow it down. Okay. Wala, I forgot candies.
Candies?
For my hungriness, how many I have here? I have 2. I have 2 candies. I have 2 chocolates. Because I know me. Oh, I have 3. Look at you. You park. You park really weird. Okay, let's go. Andito, ito pala yung parang hindi siya hospital. Doesn't look like hospital, huh? Right?
Kind of does.
It's a small one. And this is what we saw, guys. It's right here. Building right there. Let's go, take mga bahog, take naman na. Ay, naghihintay lang kami dito guys sa waiting room. And then I don't have a signal. This is sucks. No, I'm done. There's no signal here. What the heck? And we have TV and may pa dito guys. Paborito ni Tami, coffee. Is this even work? Hello. So ngayon guys, si Bianan nag-surgery na siya, kararating lang namin, and then yun din yung time na pumasok nagpunta, buti na lang na nadatnan pa namin si Bianan at saka si sister-in-law para sumunod na lang kami, pero hindi kami makapasok sa surgery room, isa lang. So si sister-in-law yung hintay lang kami dito. Matagal daw yung surgery, 1 to 2 hours. So let's see, tignan natin. What? So what's the point? Anyway, Tami, gusto talaga niya ng coffee guys. Walang kape daw. Mainit lang na tubig yung lumabas. Kaluka. Yeah. Forget it, honey.
But it's not really called
Took the money. He went to. I thought that he sold
Yeah.
cars at
Anyway,
a lot.
so we'll wait here. Tignan natin kung anong ano. Chiyok. Dito sa ano, waiting area. Hintay lang. Nag-try din akong maglaro. And guys, andito pa rin kami guys. And hindi pa rin nakalabas si Bianan sa surgery. So, andun pa siya. So, naghintay lang kami sis. Yung kapatid ni Tami, lumabas para busy sa paglalaro. Yan. And, yun, hintay lang kami guys. Yan. So, I guess bukas babalik kami dito. Nanonood lang kami ng ano. Jeopardy? 7:10. Yeah, 7:10. Ng gabi. Nag-alala na kami dahil ano na, ilang oras na siya doon. Mga 3 hours na I think, right?
Yep.
So sabi pa nga 1 to 2 hours pero 3 hours na. We're still here guys. So now nagutom si Tami. Punta siya sa cafeteria kung anong meron doon. Mag-close na sila mga few minutes, right? They're closing few minutes. Okay, dito tayo sa elevator. Nakakatakot pa naman tong elevator. I told them that I don't like elevator.
This is true.
I'm afraid of Ito yung cafeteria nila dito, guys. Tubig lang ako kasi wala na silang pagkain. At saka close na din yung coffee nila. So, yun. Naghanap lang kami ng ano, may mga fruit sila dito. May cookies sila, Han. They have cookies here, oh. That's $2 for that. Ang mahal naman. $2 daw. Oh, what is this? Pumpkin pie. The machine right here. Chocolate. Yeah. Nagutom kami guys, 7 o'clock. Matagal pa kasi si Bianan. So, yun. Kain tayo nito. Okay, ito yung bibilhin namin. Ano magkano ito? Ito na lang guys. Ito na yung dinner namin. You think we're going to eat when we get home?
I am.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Nandun sila sa waiting area guys. Diyan. So, ibigay natin ito sa kanila. Okay, which one is... This is yours? Magkapatid. Dito kami sa Chinese restaurant guys. Nag-order kami. Kahit may pagkain pa dun. What is that? Sauces? You got chopsticks even though you don't know how to use it?
You're the one who doesn't know how to use chopsticks.
No.
I tried to teach you once.
You did?
Yeah.